Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. So let's take a look again on the gold market. Few moments to update here. In general, as I said today in the report in the euro currency, it seems that this week probably will be wobbling, as we do not have really big statistics, big speeches, only maybe some geopolitical news might appear on the horizon that could shake the gold market. But currently, as we do not know whether they will appear or not, so it seems that this week might be more or less relatively calm. So, but still, few moments to adjust and update here on the gold market. First of all, as we said, it seems that gold market should show a bit deeper retracement, and we have to return back to idea of reverse head and shoulders on the fall time frame chart by some reasons, mostly because of the Friday action that we saw on Friday here, some other reasons that we discussed. And it seems currently, well, this suggestion is correct. This gold market is indeed moving well, slowly but stubbornly lower. So, and we need to consider in lower time frames what levels to watch for and where potentially market could finish this downward action. At the same time, on a daily chart, the one important moment is take a look. The market is coming to the MACD predictor line. It stands around 1811, and it also could bring the part of the context if, for example, market will form here the bullish grabber. That might be very important to us. So it's a good signal for entry, might be. At the same time, this cross-market analysis, the same we did today on the euro currency, take a look. Dollar index still shows the pullback, which also makes a pressure on the gold. But what's more important is take a look what has happened on interest rates recently. It has shown the upward rally. So market has created the new top here. And in fact, it means that reaction on 127 extension on the butterfly is over. It was very small, not even the 30%, and market has shown just minor bounce to retest the previous tops and going forward. Next destination point stands around 190, and market is not at the overbought right now. So you can see it's relatively, well, free space here to the target. Market could keep going, which is also will be a bit some holding factor for the gold market as well. So all this stuff tells that maybe indeed the retracement on the gold market could last a bit longer, at least maybe for 1-2 sessions more. On the 4-hour time frame chart, let's take a look what we have. This is actually the head and shoulders that were mentioned. This recent performance, it seems that indeed we could keep an eye on possible 1810 or maybe 1805 area this market could reach. Maybe it will not be direct thrusting action, something of that sort, but at least with some spikes, some fast and down and back action, it still could be reached. Just think about it, because, well, if you take a look at the hourly chart, there are a few targets stand around it. So on weekend we said when the market will standing here, completion the OP, we said it's more probable that market hits the XOP 11-12 of this minor BCD pattern and mostly is done. But based on the performance of the interest rates, I suggest that market could try even to spike this support area to trying to complete the next target, because as we said, there's really big chances that we could get some kind of the larger ABC top D pattern, which is now stands in place. And take a look, actually extensions of the BCD leg stands first as 127, 1810, which mostly agrees with the same cluster, 1810 and 1812. But next one agrees with the OP, which is the 1807. So I've not excluded that we could get the butterfly here, downward action, and some attempt to spike down to the OP completed and return to the cup, which is automatically could give us the bullish grabber on a daily with fast return up. So at least this is the perfect scenario that it will be nice to get. But even if market will complete just the 1810 area, it also will be the pattern that we could consider. This is actually a BCD pattern here, and once it will be completed, we could keep an eye on the daily chart. If we get the grabber, well, it means that theoretically we could try to go long, because just to remind you, on the weekly chart we have 5-6 grabbers in a row that suggest the upward direction above the previous top. So that's why here we're just watching for a good chance to step in. So, but anyway, if even we decide to take position somewhere in this area, initial stop, it would be better to place somewhere below this one. It's just led us to avoid occasional spikes or something that sort of market still tries to complete the OP target as well, or even better below 18 even if you're trying to trade on the higher time frames, I mean on the weekly chart. So that's actually what we have on the gold market. Some interesting moments exist. Now let's keep watching what will happen around 1810 area.